Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your device meets requirements and you're signed into your Apple ID. This avoids interruptions during verification. Once done, make sure biometric security, Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode is enabled so Wallet can authorize payments. Next, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign. That first tap launches the Add Card flow. You do this to link a card to Apple's Secure Element, which stores payment credentials separately for safer transactions. You'll now capture the card details. Point your camera at the physical card to autofill number and expiry, or choose manual entry if scanning fails. After that, carefully verify the cardholder name, number, expiration date, and CVV. Correct typos so issuer verification succeeds. Then read and accept the card issuer's terms. Choose or confirm the billing address and contact details. This step links the card to Wallet and prepares the issuer for the verification challenge that follows. You finish by completing issuer verification. Expect a one-time code via SMS, email, bank app notification, or a phone call. Enter the code in Wallet when prompted. Once verified, you can optionally set the card as your default for Apple Pay and make a small contactless test purchase to confirm everything works. If verification fails, retry the step, check your contact details, and if needed, call your card issuer. Removing and re-adding the card often clears temporary errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.